Hello and welcome to this very quick demonstration on how to embed payment and donation buttons into your Scratch game. Here I have a simple game that I've put together. It's a puzzle game where we have to move the boats around based on the classic traffic jam puzzle that we're all familiar with. You'll notice that we are no longer in the Scratch environment, and there are other resources and guides that I've put together to show you and talk you through the process of converting your Scratch projects into standalone browser-based games like you're seeing here. I'm going to hit play and the game begins. But you'll also notice there are two payment buttons. Well, there's one payment button and one button that takes us through to my game site. But we're here for this payment and donation button. And as you can see, it says Buy Me a Coffee. So we'll click on that, and it takes us through to the Buy Me a Coffee website where people can donate a set amount to show their appreciation for the things that you create. And my guide will easily talk you through how to set up and insert one of these buttons into your Scratch games. Thanks for watching, and do check out our other resources in the link below.